Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in today. Today we're going to be doing a multi-layered vinyl decal. We're going to be using this Serape cheetah print from vinylandshirts.com, and we're going to put a white outline on it. So if you want to learn how to layer vinyls, stay tuned. Okay, so now that we've cut the design, we'll go ahead and start the weeding process. Normally if you start at a small corner to get your vinyl started, it'll be the easiest way to go. When weeding letters, it's always better to go from right to left. This design doesn't make too much of a difference because it's just the O and the M, but it'll make a difference on the other portion. So that's our first part. These are the two registration marks that we added to it, and it's going to help line it up the second color. I like using an X-Acto tool for weeding. These tweezers are also great for intricate designs or smaller pieces. So what we're going to do with this is going to be the outline for our overall design. For this one I went with the brush script, and then I think this one was Arial Black Medium is what I used with it, and I just did a outline on it. So as you can see here, this has the registration marks, and this one has here also. All we're going to do now is line them up. Today we're using R-Conform transfer tape. Your transfer tape is going to make all the difference in the world, whether you get bubbles in your design, whether you're having trouble with it sticking. If you're using such things like, oh my goodness, contact paper, press and seal, anything like that, you're really giving yourself a hard time because it's just not worth the cost. To apply my transfer tape, I'm basically going to start at one end here. Take my squeegee. And I'm going to slowly begin squeegeeing this down. You want to go nice, smooth passes, left and right. You don't want to go like this. We'll just trim away some of the excess. There's a couple of ways of doing this to line up your registration marks. So I like to just kind of peel this back a little bit. Take off some of your backing. And then your object is to line up these two shapes. So a small secret is, all you're going to do now is line up your registration marks. If you look closely, you can see how they go. You don't want to stretch it, and you don't want to pull it. As you can see here, our registration marks have aligned perfectly. And that's ready to go. Okay, so now we're ready to apply our decal. I didn't make this for anything specific other than for a demo. So we're going to just pick a spot here on the wall to put it on there. So for this application, I'm going to just peel back the liner a little bit. Since it's going on the wall, you're really not going to get like crazy amount of bubbles anyhow. I'll go ahead and just go and trim some of this off. So what I'm going to do is just simply play this. I think I'm going to put it at a little angle. Stick that on there, just like that. Then I'm going to take my squeegee. I'm going to go from the center out. If you're not using a squeegee to apply your decals, you're doing yourself a great injustice. Some people use a credit card, piece of plastic. It's not really made for that. This is what you want. This is a 4-inch Teflon squeegee. It's going to make all the difference in the world. So now this is holding itself down. Now I can peel the other half back. Now I probably shouldn't have put this on here because this decal has a white outline, so the effect might be as good as it would have been maybe on a tinted window or something, but it's just for demo. Now I'll remove the backing tape. What you want to do is you don't want to lift it, you want to roll it back. Yes, yeah. Shouldn't have done that. And there you go. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Make sure you hit that notification bell and like and subscribe. Thank you.